What's currently unfolding at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant? The recent events resonate with the ancient words of prophecy. On April 4th, 2024, an external overhead line supplying power from Ukraine's energy grid to the Russian-occupied Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant in the city of Enerhodar was disconnected due to Russian attacks. On April 9th, the International Atomic Energy Agency broke the news of an alleged drone attack on Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant's training center located adjacent to the site. The current happenings at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant are a precursor to the chilling words of Jeremiah 12. The prophecy speaks of a land made into a wasteland, parched and desolate, laid waste because no one cares. As the situation at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant teeters closer to a nuclear meltdown, thus the current events at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant are a sobering warning of the coming nuclear meltdown and a reminder of the dire consequences of conflict. The future of the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant and the world hangs in the balance.